Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. All categories of fuel will decline come tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents less. Diesel will see $1.89 being shaved off, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by $3.06. Kerosene will cost $3.06 less. The cost of propane will fall by $1.56 less, while butane will lose 12 cents. Each petrol station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. GoFundMe is celebrating 15 years. The fundraising platform announced over that time it's helped individuals and groups raise $40 billion worldwide for various causes. As a part of GoFundMe's anniversary, the company is unveiling GoFundMe Pro. It's a platform aimed at helping nonprofit groups fundraise. The company says GoFundMe Pro would offer AI innovation and software tools to make it easier for individuals and nonprofits to ask for donations. The JSE index declined by 634 points, while the junior market index declined by 11 points. The winners were Productive Business Solutions US dollar ordinary shares, Jamaica Public Service Co. 7% shares, KLE Group, Key Insurance Company, and JFP. The losers included JMMB Group 9.50% shares, ISP Finance Services, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, and Berger Paints. 19 stocks traded firm. Now, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $159.88. The Canadian dollar is being sold for an average $117.09. The pound is going for $212.23, while the euro is selling for an average $180.74. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.